Hello everyone, this is Hasini from IISE Rajajinagar studying 9th state board. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me to review and talk about the tuition. This tuition has been an intensive supportive system for me. The teachers are so friendly and they make sure our doubts are cleared. And they gave individual attention to each and everyone in the class. And the classes are so organized that we always want to solve the sums on the board. And you know what makes this tuition special? Is the friendly environment. And my grades have mainly increased and my parents are so happy about it. Thank you for giving the opportunity to review about the tuition, and I hope my words inspire others and they get a benefit from it. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸೊ ಪೂರ್ವಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಫುಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ IISE?
Super.
So like what percentage should I expect from your end?
90 above.
Above 90. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಫುಲ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ರಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ರಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಂದು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 90 ಅಬವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 95+ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ಸು ಬ್ರೌಷರ್ಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Hi everyone, I am Tanushri of class 9 CBSE board. I am student of IISE Institute. I am very glad to give a review about my institute. After joining this institute, I have improved a lot more in my studies, as my parents are also very happy in my results. They have provided study materials, question banks. After practicing that, they have given test examination which improves our confidence level to attend our tests in schools. I have attended every single questions in my maths after joining this institute. It has made me very happy, as I'll refer to my friends and I'll also join upcoming year for this institute. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Surya from IISE studying in 9th standard CBSE. I'm very happy to give this review about my institution. After joining this institution, I improved in my studies. My parents are also very happy about this. The teachers are very friendly and supportive. They give individual attention to everyone. They solve my doubts, and they also provide some support materials, question banks and mind maps which also help in my studies. And I am very grateful to have this opportunity, and I thank everyone.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ IISE?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿದ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, how about IISE? You need to tell us. First, student update is more important. Yeah.
Apart from the regular classes, the new teachers are very helpful for us for the revision classes.
Okay.
It is more helpful for us to face board exam.
Okay. So you can attend now exams confidently. Okay. How about percentage? What you are expecting for
Above
final?
90.
Above 90. So I'll see you in brochure and banners.
ಶೋರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ರಿವ್ಯೂಯಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Thank you.
ಯಾ.
Everyone, I am Kavya from IISE of class 9 CBSE board. I am very glad to give review about my institution. After joining the institution, it was very useful in my studies, and my parents also happy in this, and I am very happy to refer my friends, and the teachers are very supportive in this institution. Thank you.